Let's move on to a detailed analysis comparing two of the most prominent and powerful snakes in the animal kingdom, the python and the anaconda. Who will win this battle at the end of this video? Comment your opinion. Introduction to python and anaconda. Pythons and anacondas are among the largest snakes in the world. They are non-venomous constrictors, which means they kill their prey by wrapping it around and suffocating them. Both species are often admired and feared due to their size and power. The python is part of the Pythonidae family, which includes various species distributed mainly in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are known for their strong build and powerful compression. Anaconda, belonging to the genus Eunectes, is native to South America. They are the largest and heaviest snakes in the world, known for their impressive girth and strength. Physical characteristics. The python. Pythons vary considerably in size. The reticulated python holds the record for the longest python at over 20 feet. Other species, such as the Burmese python, can exceed 15 feet. Pythons are usually long and thin with a smooth, scaly texture. They have a heat-sensing pit between their eyes and nostrils that helps them detect warm-blooded prey. Anaconda. Anacondas are renowned for their bulk rather than their length. Green anacondas can grow up to 30 feet in length and weigh up to 550 pounds. It is the heaviest snake species. Anacondas have a thicker and stronger body compared to pythons. They have rough, keeled scales and a more squat, muscular build. Habitats and distribution. The python. Pythons are adaptable and can live in a variety of environments, including rainforests, savannas, grasslands, and semi-arid regions. Pythons are found throughout Africa, Asia, and Australia. For example, the reticulated python is native to Southeast Asia, while the carpet python is found in Australia. Anaconda. Anacondas are semi-aquatic and thrive in marshes, swamps, and slow-moving rivers. They are well adapted to an aquatic lifestyle and spend considerable time in the water. Anacondas are found in the Amazon basin and other tropical regions of South America, including countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Peru. Hunting and food. The python. Pythons are stealthy predators. They use their camouflage to blend into their environment and wait for prey to approach. When a potential meal is within range, they strike quickly. After they grab their prey with their powerful jaws, they use their body coils to constrict and suffocate it. Pythons feed on a wide variety of animals, including mammals, birds, and reptiles. Anaconda. Similar to pythons, anacondas are stealthy predators. They often submerge in water, exposing only their eyes and nostrils, and wait for prey to approach. Anacondas mainly feed on a wide range of prey, including fish, birds, mammals, and caimans. They are known for their ability to take very large prey, which they contract and swallow whole. Behavior and temperament. The python. Pythons are usually solitary and are known for their secrecy and patience. They can be quite aggressive if threatened, but prefer to avoid conflict if possible. Pythons, especially when not provoked, are not aggressive towards humans. They tend to avoid contact and will attack only in self-defense. Anaconda. Anacondas are also solitary, but are often active swimmers compared to pythons. They are known for their stealth tactics and can be more aggressive when defending their territory or young. Although generally shy, anacondas can be unpredictable. If they feel threatened or cornered, they may attack. Reproduction. The python. Pythons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. The female python incubates the eggs by spinning them around and generating heat through muscle contractions. Depending on the species, a python can lay between 10 and 100 eggs. Anaconda. Anacondas are viviparous, meaning they give birth to young. The female holds the eggs inside her body until hatching. A female anaconda can give birth to 20 to 40 live young at a time. Human interaction. The python. Pythons sometimes come into conflict with humans, especially in areas where their natural habitat overlaps with human settlements. They are often hunted or captured out of fear or for the pet trade. Many bison species are protected, and conservation efforts are underway to prevent overexploitation and habitat destruction. Anaconda. Anacondas are often feared because of their size and strength. They can be dangerous if provoked, but they usually avoid people. Similar to pythons, some anaconda species are protected. Habitat loss and poaching are major threats to their populations. Comparative analysis, size and strength. Anacondas are generally heavier and stronger than pythons. The green anaconda is particularly notable for its size and strength, making it one of the most powerful constrictors. The python can rival anacondas in length, but their bulk is generally less. They are, however, incredibly strong and can take down large prey. Adaptations. The python has better adaptations to different environments, including arid and semi-arid regions. Their heat-sensing pits give them an advantage in detecting prey. Anacondas are highly specialized for an aquatic lifestyle, with adaptations that allow them to excel in water. Their large build helps them capture and subdue large prey in their swampy habitat. Behavior. The python is often more secretive and less aggressive if not provoked. Their camouflage strategy is effective in terrestrial and vegetated environments. Anacondas are known for their strength and aggressive behavior, especially when defending themselves. Their semi-aquatic nature gives them a unique advantage in their habitat. Conclusion. In a hypothetical battle between a python and an anaconda, the outcome would likely depend on various factors, including the species involved, the environment, and the specific circumstances of the encounter. Anacondas generally have the advantage in terms of bulk and strength. Their larger girth and powerful constriction ability make them formidable opponents. Pythons, particularly species like the reticulated python, can be longer and more agile, which could give them an edge in certain scenarios. Ultimately, while both snakes are highly capable predators, an anaconda's greater bulk and strength would likely give it an advantage in a direct confrontation. However, it's important to note that in the wild, such direct conflicts are rare. Both snakes have evolved to be effective predators in their respective environments, and they are more likely to avoid unnecessary confrontations. Who will win this battle at the end? Comment your opinion.